I woke me up this morning and I heard a joyful song from the throats of happy Irishmen, 100,000 strong. It was the Hibernian Brigade lining up for to start the big parade. So I grabbed the hat my father wore upon St. Patrick's Day, and I wore it tilted on the side the good old Irish way. And we all sang the wearing of the green, a finer sight I'm sure you've never seen. It's a great day for the Irish, it's a great day for fair. The sidewalks of New York are thick with blarney. You'd think that old New York was Kilkenny. It's a great day for the shamrock, for the flags in full array. We're feeling so inspirish because of all the Irish. It's a great, great day. Sure, there's Brady and O'Grady, the McPartlands and O'Briens, the Grogans and the Hogans, the McSweeneys and the Ryans, and there's good-natured Irish Dan McQuaid, getting set for to start the big parade. There is Dooley and Gilhooly and McGlynn and Donoghue. There's Hannigan and Flanagan, Murphy and McHugh, first in line right behind the big brass band. Each one holds a shillelagh in his hand. It's a great day for the Irish, it's a great day for fair. Begosh, there's not a cop to stop a raiding. Begorry, all the cops are out parading. It's a great day for the shamrock and the flags in full array. And as we go a-swinging, every Irish heart is singing, it's a great, great day.